Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing on with our Beautiful Soup series. And today we are pulling in requests. So if you have not seen requests.get or anything about requests, go ahead and go ahead and click on this right here. This takes you to the link of requests.get, and it'll go over what we are doing here. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos. We do one video upon another. So let's just go ahead and get into it. And make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell, and go ahead and give this video a like for me. So, all right. So requests, because last video and actually the last two, we've been working with an HTML string. But here, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going to the IMF page, International Monetary Fund. It's one of the two global banks, basically. So, all right, let's bring this in. So what it's doing is it's taking requests. It's getting a response, then getting the text, then dropping that into what we know. So let's just go ahead and bring this in, just like everything we know. So I want to show you this right here. This is what is so awesome. So here we are. Here is the International Monetary Fund. Then when you hit inspect the code, let's bring this up right here. Let's bring this over right here. So boom, this is everything. Let's do this side by side. This is just so cool to me. So then now we're going to next, now that we know how to get this in, let's bring this right here. And we're going over, let's shrink this down. Yeah, there we are. We got everything side by side. So we go back to the top, right here. We have our HTML doc, and we could go through and begin to look at everything. And this soup object is here and ready to be for the plucking. So we will next video we're going to start to integrate regular expression and go through here and start to grab. So this is step one of now going and bringing in and slicing and dicing. So if there's anything that I've gone too quickly, because sometimes I get a little excitable, please drop any questions, comments, or hey, I want to give a shout out to one of the subscribers. Met them through Free Code Camp stream. They are fantastic. Look, they caught something that I didn't even mean to do. They were asking a question, but they caught the mistake. It was a fantastic question. They were concerned that with one of it was the Social Security and the phone number, the formatting. They thought they weren't understanding something. No, they caught a mistake that I had done. So if you have that question, somebody else does. So I never caught that mistake. So I want to please ask the question. Please, please, please ask the question. So, all right. Next video, we're going to be going into regular expression and how to really use this awesome tool that we have right here of all this data. So there we go, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we will see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.